Hello, this video is going to help you install the Respondus Lockdown browser. The Respondus Lockdown browser is going to be required for you to be able to take any test or quiz in my class and many of your other classes as well. So we're going to show you how to download this. It's actually a pretty easy thing. So you can see I have a class opened on Blackboard already. This happens to be my 6th period world history class. If that's you, hey guys, how you doing? If it's not you, it doesn't really matter. It's the same process anyways. Now you may notice that this class has the Respondus Lockdown browser link right here. You can certainly click on that and it has a link here to follow. Or many other classes may just have it in the course information folder. Again, doesn't matter which of the links you click on, but download Respondus Lockdown browser is what you want to click. So as I click that, I'm going to get a screen that looks just like this. Excuse me. Feel free to look through the overview. If you're a technical person, you can look at those version applications there. But what we're looking at is the Install Now button. Now, they're actually sort of lying to you. You're not really installing it by clicking that button. You're downloading it, and then you have to install it. So let me go ahead, click on the Install button. Now, notice when that happens, on Chrome, like I'm using, it's going to appear down the lower left-hand corner, and it's a bigger file, so it's going to take a little bit of time to load. If you're using Firefox or Edge, then you're probably going to see something up in this area of your browser that's going to show you it has been downloaded. Now, when it is finished downloading, all you need to do is double click on it. There you go. I don't know if you'll be able to see this part, but it's asking me if I want to allow this app to make changes, and I'm going to say yes. So if you couldn't see that part, I just said, yes, I want to allow this app to make changes, and then it runs through all these things. We want it in English. Next. It does a little green bar to download the things. It usually goes pretty quickly, like you see here. Now, you have this big, long agreement that, yes, you really honestly should read if you're an adult like me. As a kid, you can get away with it because legally you can't agree or not agree to anything. You're a minor. You cannot legally enter into a contract. So just go ahead and click accept. The school owns this program. It's safe. You have to use it anyways. So when you click accept, press next. Again, it's going to continue its download. Yes, it's downloading. It's installing. Hey, Install Shield has completed. Click Finish. Now the key, and you may have not been able to see it, but I'm going to move my browser over a little bit here. And on my desktop, in the background, this symbol appeared. This symbol means you have successfully installed the Respondus Lockdown browser. Yay, congratulations. Now, whenever you're asked to take a test using the Respondus Lockdown browser, you will need to open the Respondus Lockdown browser. If you try it from Chrome, or if you try it from Firefox, or you try it from Edge, you'll type in the password and nothing will happen, except for it to say, hey, you should be using the Respondus Lockdown browser. That means you got to go back here and click on that icon. All right, kids, that should be enough. If you have any further problems, please ask me. I am here to help you. Just let me know that you need that help, and I'll be more than happy to do so. You guys have a wonderful rest of your day.